All right, it's August 26th, about 5 p.m. It's still hot out here in Vegas, about 104 degrees. Heading down for the LINQ to see what's going on. Now, it is a Thursday afternoon, evening, and so it's not that crowded. But then again, we all know what's going on, right? So, hey, let's take a walk through, see who's open, who's not open. Now, when you're down here, they want you to wear a mask, even if you're on the promenade just roaming around, okay? I saw security guards tell somebody, hey, you know, put on your mask. All right, here we go. Starbucks is open, okay? Duggery is open, all right? This little soap shop called Nectar Bath Treats is open. The LINQ Casino is open. The Gordon Ramsay's Fish and Chips is open. The Chippy Shop, the gelato place is open. Breeze Jackie Bar, oh, are they open? Wait, maybe not. I think they are not open, okay? Chayo for your burrito and your tacos is open. I Love Sugar is open. O'Shea's is open. Blarney Bar, not open. You want some sweets? Sweets for my sweets, sugar for my honey. Ah, so cool in here. Now, this place has all kinds of sweets for you, but you know, just taking a quick look through. Not really my cup of tea anymore, but hey, get your little pink peep, yellow peep. Damn, peeps galore. Mike and Ike, Jelly Bellies. Oh, Bean Boozled, it's a terrible game, you guys. I heard about it, I saw it on YouTube. I got a golden ticket, la 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 la. So anyway, just a quick walk through here. Like I said, not really my cup of tea. But some folks love this stuff, so hey, loud music playing in here. So they're saying, one-on-one camera, get the hell out of here. Oh, darn it. Oh well. What is this? Some hard sourdough candy. I'm sorry. Toxic waste, hazardously sour candy. I never heard of that. Okay. It is bright and shiny, but they don't, man. Probably adding music on this thing. So anyway, all right, cool. Back into the light, children. Woo! Let's try Yo again. They have good food there. You give it a try. All right, back on the LINQ. And then off the strip, bistro and bar. Never tried that. Hope it's good though. It smells good. All right. And I think that's a hat shop over here, I think. You want to get your brim, your lid, your topper. And you come here. Hats galore. Not really a hat man. And then over here we have this place, I forgot what it's called. They do some gaming in here. What's this place called? Esports. Right, Team Razor. Hang on. You see, they have all these lovely machines here, and you can play them. Okay. Here's your tourist store for your Sin City goods. This is one of those 4D places, I think. No, this is a tourist shop. Book your Grand Canyon, you know, air flight tour and everything else. Sounds pretty cool. Then we have Virgil's Barbecue. Tastes good. And then we have the Tilted Kilt Pub and Eatery. It's a nice place if you know what I mean. They drag in the customers. It's all marketing, you guys. It does sell. All right. And then coming up on the left is our Harley Davidson shop, and then Havaianas, Flower and Bakery, In and Out, Medican, beer and cocktails. Good place. Here's Ice Bar. Go in there, get your vodka and other drinks, and sip in a cool, cooler, cold environment. Been to one a few times before, not this one, somewhere else. That's okay. You know, it's all right. Just tried it. They got a discount. Story of my life. You know? Oh, this is my favorite little bar right here, pub. Come back to that later. Brooklyn Bowl, which they actually have bowling in there. I didn't know that. And Ghirardelli's on the left. And here's your, I think your 4D place right there. Get your stomach queasy if you can't take it. Maybe you can take it. They got a sock shop, which I don't know how these guys stay open on this high rent district place. And then there's Honolulu Cookie, very popular place. And over here is Jimmy Kimmel's Comedy Club. I had a drink in there once before. It was okay. I never saw a show there before the dark times. You know, lead that bikini kind of life. And then Billabong. And check this out. So they give you all things for the pool, right? La 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 la. At the end it says Sunny's sunglasses, in case you don't know. And here's the Yard House. Chili Beans. Then Maxie's. Maxie's is only open from 8 to 10 these days. And check this out. Wait, hang on. Be like Darth Vader. Wears a mask. Socially distance, follows orders. And may the force be with you. May the force be with us both. All right. All right, you guys. And then here is the High Roller. This is just a very, 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 very quick and dirty walkthrough of the LINQ. You know, folks are always wondering, you know, what's going on these days in certain areas. I think someone did ask about the LINQ recently, see what was happening over here. So it was a Thursday, like around 5 o'clock-ish or so. And as you can see, not a lot of people, okay? Not a lot of people. So, and then here we are at the end. On the left, we have our Caesars Forum, the brand new convention hall, I guess a convention meeting place, convention center, recently opened. You know, so whenever there's an event there, these gates will be open. Just walk right through, up those stairs, down the stairs, hang a left, and you will be at the Caesars Forum. Let's see. If we stand here, and if we make a zoom in, all right, Caesars Forum, yeah? It looks good on the outside, you guys. To me, it looks nice on the outside, okay? And that crane right there, that is at the MSG Sphere, at the Venetian, okay? So you see, this looks pretty close, yeah? Pretty close indeed. All right, you guys, that will just about do for a walkthrough through the LINQ. I'm going to, you know what, you guys, I think, actually, I might eat down here tonight. Now, I rarely eat here unless I'm at the, I've eaten at Chayo a long time ago, In-N-Out Burger, and Ramsey's fish and chip place, and the hot doggery place. But the cafe called My Favorite, whatever, I think I'm gonna go there. They have a happy hour special right now. So that will be the next video. I'm gonna get my grub on and give a nice review. Hey, a food review. Yeah, you know, so I'll give a proper food review of this place I'm gonna go to right now, okay? Hope it's tasty. The drinks are good. I hope the food's tasty, all right, you guys? All right, it's your old man, this is your old man, it's your pal, one man, one camera. Same, see me outside, say hello back to you. Have a great day. Woo! Later.